In this video, I'm going to show you how to get gold plants in Grow a Garden on Roblox. Now, there's multiple ways that we can go ahead and approach this, but the first thing that is always good to know is the probability. So, golden plants have a 1% chance of appearing or a 1 in 100, and basically they appear naturally whenever you're planting or harvesting crops, and here are some things that we can do in order to increase our chances of getting some golden plants. So, number one is plant a large number of crops. So, since the garden mutation is random, planting more crops increases your opportunities for it to spawn. Focus on fast-growing multi-harvest crops like tomatoes, blueberries, strawberries, or watermelons to cycle through more plants quickly. Fill your garden densely to maximize mutation chances. So again, it really all comes down to strategies and getting plants that don't take that long to actually grow. Because the less time it takes for a plant to grow, the more opportunity you have to go ahead and plant more, and because of that, you have higher chances of getting golden plants. As you're able to tell, it did work for me. And next up, you guys could use sprinklers to boost mutation rates. So you could purchase sprinklers from the gear shop to increase the likelihood of mutations, including the golden one. So you can go ahead and get the basic sprinkler, which is around 20,000 Sheckles, and it boosts growth speed and fruit size as well, indirectly helping with more harvest cycles. I personally recommend that you guys use weather events like rain, which speeds up growth and applies the wet mutation, allowing faster crop cycles to try for golden mutations. And also consider AFK farming overnight to let mutations accumulate during weather events. And lastly, I want to go ahead and clear up one misconception in that there is no specific crop that is required. The golden mutation can appear on any crop from carrots to high value plants like watermelons or pineapples. However, higher value crops with the golden mutation will obviously yield bigger profits. So for this example, we did get some golden carrots right over here. So as you're able to tell, it did actually work. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.